Alright, today we are going to be making ramen noodles with beef jerky. Right here I have tender cuts prime rib beef jerky, 96% fat free, and ranch. So ramen noodles with ranch and beef jerky. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to need ramen noodles. I have beef flavor, but you can choose your own flavor. Just going to open this up, pull out the packet, pull out the ramen noodle packet for seasoning, place it within inside of the water just like that, all right? Then I'm going to take the ramen noodles and place the block right on top, and you can either eat the crunchies that are inside or you can pour them inside of the rapid ramen cooker, all right? After I put that in there, I'm going to take some water and fill it up to the line right there. And once I do that, I'm going to place the ranch and the beef jerky to the side, and I'm going to put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Alright. After 3 minutes, I'm going to take the ramen noodles out of the microwave. Alright. And I'm going to stir the noodles up just a little bit, just to make sure the flavor gets through. And then I'm going to drain the noodles, okay? Drain the noodles of almost all of the water, all right? So I'm draining the noodles right now of almost all of the water, all right? So now I'm going to take the meat, the beef jerky meat, and I'm going to cut up the beef jerky meat and just place it inside of the bowl. Let me zoom in so you can see the beef jerky meat. You're just going to cut it and place it inside of the bowl. Just like that. Smell it. Smells good, right? And then I'm going to just cut it up and put it all inside of the bowl. And then once I have it cut up and put inside the bowl, I'm going to add ranch, okay? I have classic ranch right here. It's light ranch because I'm trying to lose a little bit of weight. And I'm just going to add a little bit to the bowl. And then once I add a little bit to the bowl, I'm going to put it in the microwave for 25 seconds, maybe a little bit more to the bowl. All right. I'm going to put it in the microwave for 25 seconds. All right. After about 35 seconds, I'm going to pull the ramen noodles from out of the microwave. Zoom in a little bit so you can see a little bit better. And then I'm going to stir the ramen noodles with the beef jerky and ranch together. And there you have it. Look at it. The ranch, the beef jerky, the ramen noodles. Goodness, right? Absolute creamy goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness. Let me know if you have any questions.